Hi, my name is Patrick Irwin, and I'm going to show you how to multiply two radical expressions. So, if this were a radical expression like this, they have the same indice of 2. So you could have just combined them to be BA. But since this has an indice of 5 and this has an indice of 4, it is not possible to do that. So the second step that we're going to do is we're going to convert this into exponential notation. So to do this, you're going to take you're going to write the exponent, and you're going to take the index, and you write it as the denominator. Do the same thing with b. Do the same thing over here, and as well as the b. So it seems to me that our common denominator is going to be 20, so we have to convert all of these to 20. So 5 times 4 is 20, so 2 times 8 equals 2 times 4, is 8. So this is going to be a to the 8 over 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. b to the 12 over 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 2 times 5 equals 10. This is a to the 10 over 20. And 4 times 5 equals 20. 1 times 5 equals 5. This would be b to the 5 over 20. So now if you remember back to when you learned about the rules of exponents, you should remember that you can combine them when they have the same base. So our fourth step is to combine this. So 8 plus 10 equals 18, a to the 18 over 20, and 12 plus 5 equals b to the 17 over 20. So now that we have figured out this, we can write them back underneath the radical. So we're going to, like we learned up here, our index, is going to be 20. So we write the index of 20, and then take the exponent, a to the 18th, b to the 17th. So now there's an even quicker way to do this. So now I'll show you that way. So as you can see up here, you can multiply these together. So you get the index of 20, so you multiply those together. And then you multiply these by the other side's indice. So 2 times 4 is 8. B cubed times 4 is b to the 12th. And then a squared times 5 is a to the 10th. And b to the 1st times 5 is just b to the 5th. So our second step is to combine them. So we're going to get a to the 18th and b to the 17th. So even though this is quicker, it's not as clear as this up here. So then those are the two ways to do it. So your answer is here and here. Thank you for listening. I hope it helped.